our channel. In this video, we're talking about this RC car. It's a new drift car.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. As Liam said, we have a drift car. This is from Banggood. It was sent to us, so we did not pay for it. Just a disclaimer.
But they just paid for it.
Yeah, they paid for it.
Dad, how many dollars was this?
Good idea. Let's tell them how much it was if you would like to purchase it yourself. So, from the Banggood site there, $30.99, you're right. It says it's 21% off, $30.99. And the reason I wanted to do this is because on our channel we do a lot of expensive cars, and I think it's going to be fun to start doing some cheaper cars. And they reached out and they're going to send us, this is our first one, they're going to send us a little Toyota, I think, and then a little flatbed smaller scale car. So we are going to unbox this tonight, charge it up, and most likely cruise around tomorrow. Okay, let's check it out. Liam's excited. It's upside down.
Oh!
That looks really cool. Okay, let's do it nice and slow, but let me do it.
Let's take it out. What?
That's like a little mini controller for your hands. Holy cow. Look at that. Can I show him?
Yeah.
It's like a little guy, so Liam is going to be loving this. Heck yeah. What is that, bud? Tires? Comes with another set of tires, charger, battery, and a tool. Take it away.
Guys, we just opened this up, and this is a regular pro car. But I don't want to get it dirty because it really looks so nice. And I was still wanted to be clean. Dad, look what it has!
Body clips.
Let's check what's inside.
So little screwdrivers for the controller, and it does not come with batteries. Okay, so the controller, you just need two AA batteries. That's what it didn't come with. Just so you guys know, I'm leaving a link down below to this car so you can go buy it. And I will get a kickback from them. So if you buy it through that link, we'll make a tiny bit of money. We don't make much money with this channel. We would appreciate it if you would do that, if you want to try it out. If not, just like the video, and we're just happy you're here. This car apparently does smoke out the back. So it's like an exhaust or something. So these tires that came on it are smooth, and then these ones in the bag are more grippy. And as Liam said, he wants to keep it clean, so maybe we only drive this in the house and in the garage.
Oh, dude, you're getting it muddy.
Oh no! Now I have to.
No.
Oh no! Get out of here, bud.
So
No.
we can drift around.
Hey, Dad.
What?
I don't want to drive it in the garage because it will always get dirty. This one is so sticky.
It is.
Oh! Guys, you can't see this. Look at that.
Oh my.
Let's take those clips off. Yeah, we'll make sure the garage is clean.
Yeah.
Ooh, careful, it has headlights. We don't want to pull the wires out. Well, this thing looks pretty
Let's put the
rugged.
top back
Okay.
on.
So we just pulled the top off, and it's got headlights. So it has some taillights, and then it has some wires going to that smoke thing. But looks like you don't want to take this all the way off, so there's got to be a way to just charge everything from the bottom. You put the batteries in the bottom and work everything from the bottom, and you probably don't take this top off. So I'm going to read the instructions real fast and tell you guys how it works. So we were looking at the instructions, and I was mainly looking for how the smoke works. because it has this little smoke part.
Yeah.
It doesn't say anything in the instructions about it. There's this little dropper piece.
Dropper piece.
I'm assuming, just guessing, you fill this thing up with water. There's this little reservoir. I guess you just put water in it. I don't know what else you put in it. Dump it in there, and then it makes smoke, I guess. And the rest is pretty much just steering trim, forward, backward, left, right. That's about it. What we're gonna do now is charge this up. It says 3 hours, and then tomorrow we're gonna drive it in the house, the garage.
No. Yeah, we can just drive it in the
in the house. How about we start in the house? Look how it smokes.
Yeah, and then we'll start in the garage. And then we'll
How about you come back here so you're actually on the camera?
Okay.
Silly goose. My co-host is 5. He just turned 5, so.
Yeah, and
Patience is very good to
and
have.
do you know what I got downstairs by the alarm?
What?
It's a Roomba iRobot i4 Plus.
Liam loves RC cars, and guess what he asked for Christmas?
A Roomba iRobot i4 Plus Evo.
A robot vacuum.
But guys, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And then if you know about this car, just give me a big thumbs up. And then if you want to see my car video, a thumbs up.
Look at this.
Okay.
These are very slick tires. 0 traction for drift.
What do you think, bud? Not bad for 33 bucks.
Yeah, 33.
Buckaroonies?
No, but
I like it.
We put the grip tires on. Oh, there's still some water in the smoke tank. Dude, that's pretty good. See what? Oh! So yeah, we have the grip tires on, and that's why it's not spinning out. So I guess you can use this thing just to cruise with too. Oh, but should we go test it on the ice and see if it's gonna work?
sure. Let's
Okay.
go.
Even ice, it looks like slush.
Okay.
Let's see. Dad, can I do it?
That looks really good.
Dad, can I do it?
Turn them around. Whoa, we got stuck a little bit.
Yeah, that ice is so slippery.
Hey, Lou, you can do it. Mom can have a turn too, because that's really fun.
Okay. Maybe there's
Nice and easy.
no.
Don't lose it, or I'll have to go out there and get it. Isn't that fun, dude? Dude, try to get back out there. Oh, you're breaking. The range is pretty good. Don't go too far, dude. Oh, reverse.
I know, again! That's a better way to probably get this out. Oh no! That's a better.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no!
Braden's turn with the drift car out on the ice. Just stay away from the edges, as you've learned from Liam. I'm just worried the battery's gonna die because the lights are blinking, but we'll send Braden out there if it dies. Let's go! Okay, Braden, send it out. See what the range is on it. Send it way out there. Okay, just take it easy. No, send it out far. That's pretty good. How fun would it be to have like 5 of these out there? Bro, I think the battery's dead. Wow, that was crazy.
Oh my goodness. Dad,
What?
this one is so sticky.
It is.
Oh, guys, you can't see this. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Did you like this car?
Yeah, I did.
I like this car. I would definitely get one. I recommend it.
Yeah.
For 30-something bucks, that's not bad at all.
Give a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye.